Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been almost a week since I recorded the last video. I have been busy with certain things. So yeah, let's look at the analysis of the Nifty. Moreover, the trend which I has already mentioned, it has not changed till now. So you can see we are continuously in a uptrend. If you see on a pattern kind of basis, you'll see this is kind of a rounding bottom which is being formed, and possibly we might be in a right position to give a pullback from here. But let's see, it's not something we can decide on the basis of certain things. We need to look at multiple points. So as you can see, this was the analysis which I just posted in the community section yesterday. Please check it out. And I was in the perception that if we are getting a price somewhere in this region, we will be getting a good momentum to the upside. In fact, it did not open or did not start dwindling in this area which I marked, but the upside momentum was intact today as well. So as you can see, if you try to measure now this is the supply area which I marked some time back. So as you can see, in fact, this should be much broader area somewhere in this swing. This is smaller swing. So this should be a supply zone, or this should be a resistance zone where price is now trying to tap in. So there are two possibilities going forward. In fact, for this entire move, I'm still holding my long positions and my stop loss is somewhere around here. This point. This point I'm still pointing my trailing stop loss. If you see, I was very lucky to get in at a very, very crucial position. And in fact, if you remember, I started posting these things way back, that it is based on a very simple 6-minute strategy. We got a new structure low, got a pullback. This was a low which was formed here, lower high, and then after we got the last low, or it was the new structure low, newest low which was formed here. After that, we were able to change the direction here by breaking this pivot point. It was marginal break, but we made a new structure high here, NSH. See, we formed a new structure high here after forming a new structure high, or subsequently forming a new structure low. The first high or first low which is formed after changing a trend results mostly into a deeper pullback. So 61.8 retracement was on the cards. The probability of this retracement was higher here. So I just put on my Fibonacci tool, and you see 61.8 retracement is coming somewhere around on futures chart it is 17,000. And if you see, try to map it with all the points, turning points or supports, you'll see these are the points where the price has reacted very violently. So I just started looking at the 15-minute chart. Now here, as you see, once the price momentum was getting slower, you see, once the price momentum was, in fact, if you see here, I tried to trade and there were 2-3 stop losses as well. The stop losses were minor, but you see, we need to have stop losses. These are the recipes which will be the basis of your positive trades, or trades which will be making you profitable. So this swing was the last one, and after that we again found the same structure. You see, new structure high here, and on the lower time frame again I was looking for 61.8 retracement or more. In fact, I got entry around 17.0 something it was. This is not the futures chart. In fact, if you see the April futures chart, you will see the price I entered was 17.064 or 66. After that, how do you decide the target? So target can be something like this. You just project it using the projection tool. First target will be 1.27 extension. The second will be 161 extension. So once you see price is moving, once this gap up was done here, I moved my target levels away because the momentum with which this congestion area has broken is very high. So once you see that momentum is getting stronger and stronger, you start trailing like this. Once this was formed and the low was formed here, subsequently broke up. So my trailing stop was here. Now trailing stop here. You see, subsequent day the momentum was even stronger. Not a single, you know, big pullback. After this was a pullback. Stop loss here. Then it moved to this place. Now currently I am trailing here. But possibly tomorrow I will be booking out the profits. Why? Because if you can see, this is my level where there is a lot of supply. So if you see, almost I have gathered close to 600 something points in single trade. So this is the trailing stop loss, and I will be just booking out because if it tries to break up and in the same condition, I won't be suggesting no more long positions here, but still long positions can only be opened if we do something like this and there is a further breakout. So wait for the price to gather some momentum, because here I think the momentum is getting slower, but let's see. So the position as of now, I was not posting the video as well because it is not very in good position for risk reward to enter at this point. So let it do something like this, or in fact if it starts going something like this, then we will be opening a short position. So just wait and watch for these two swings. Once this high which was made today is broken out, just wait and watch, and try to find out if it is just failing to break out. This will be a short entry. Not enter short position abruptly. Just wait and watch today's high and this swing. Alright. So let's quickly look at the stocks. Stock wise, as you can see, most of the things are same. India Mart in fact has started moving up. It has moved above our buy area of 5050, and we can move the stop loss once this high is broken out. Dalmia Bharat, it has moved around 8 to 10% from here. Once this is giving a swing and a subsequent breakout, you will be moving the stop loss close to the low of that swing low. JK Lakshmi Cement, it has also given a momentum from our buy point. Once this high is now broken, you will be moving it to swing low, the stop loss. TKK Healthcare has been a very good story. In fact, I also traded this and I booked once this low and this red candle was forming on that day, because once it opened, it was just getting rejected on the same day. So still I'm holding some positions, and in case this is forming something like this, just wait and watch. If it forms something like this, then I'll be getting out with entire position. Or if it is still having some strength to go above this, then I'll be moving it to swing low. Next one, Bank of India. I think it has also triggered. I have not added this to my positions. If it has already triggered the buy point, maintain the stop loss around 74. One more stock which I added today in the kitty is Mahindra Holidays. You should be opening a buy position around 282, stop of 275, and let it do its thing. If it moves very good, we'll be training it. Alright guys, these are the stocks. We should keep these on the watch list and let's see how they present themselves. In case you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it, because we keep on updating the videos for the Nifty analysis. Plus, we keep on adding these good stocks which are presenting good swing opportunities. Till then, guys, thank you very much for watching.